We are dedicated to the Australasian materials processing industry. Our new parts distribution centre means local people offering locally stocked parts, delivering local service. We supply quality parts at the best value and the shortest lead time. It's all part of our CustomCare after-sales service. We build long-term partnerships that offer long-term support to secure long-term success. We use 3 decades of global expertise and local insight to unlock the full potential of your plant, to deliver increased throughput and increased profits. We provide 24/7 advice and support to ensure maximum uptime and efficiency. Who better to supply your parts and service your plant than the people who designed and built it? Call today to place your parts order. CDE, engineered for you.